Ahmedabad Civil Hospital. The corridors were filled with silence that were broken only by cries of grief. The fire was so intense on that plane. Most bodies we hear are currently unrecognizable. Out of the 240 bodies recovered, only one has been identified so far. Doctors have collected over 205 DNA samples, but the reports could take up to 72 hours. In fact, one woman was heard crying. She says, "How do I believe he's gone unless I see him?" Another, we hear, family member who asked, what if they mix up the bodies? For families, this wait is unbearable. Many of them have flown in from UK, Canada, Portugal, desperate for answers to find their loved ones' mortal remains. They are just said goodbye at the airport and now they're giving DNA tests to identify their loved ones. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has said that the official death count will only be declared after DNA confirmation. Inside the hospital, we hear about 190 relatives have already submitted their DNA samples. Each match takes time. Each minute, of course, for the families now feeling endless. They were fathers who were flying out to reunite with their sons, newlyweds who were heading for their honeymoon, a retired teacher who finally took that dream vacation. Every story now frozen in time. Many families had just about said goodbye to their loved ones. And just when they were on their way back, after dropping off their loved ones at the airport, they got phone calls saying the plane had crashed. Well, this is highly tragic. The visuals that you're seeing on our screens here are of those people who died in that plane crash. 241 of them, a big number. We hear this is the biggest tragedy that India has seen in decades. In fact, 3 officials from the National Disaster Response Force have confirmed the flight data recorder has been found, the black box has been recovered. So at least some kind of answers the family could get now of how and why their loved ones died. How did the plane crash? That could give hopefully some kind of closure to them. You know, in this black box we hear could hold very crucial answers of the final moments of the flight. For now, families have no answers at all. In fact, they're not even being told whether their loved ones have survived or not. Just one answer, you'll have to wait for DNA tests. In fact, the questions are so many, the family members do not know who to ask because none of the officials are giving them responses, and fairly so because you just don't know. Most of the bodies we hear are fully charred, unrecognizable. DNA tests are going to take time.